Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can update any apps on your iPhone. So there's a button through which you guys can just click that button and every single app on your phone or like your iPhone is going to be updated. So just like in your Play Store, it is also available in the App Store. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then consider hitting that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. First step, you want to open your iPhone and click on App Store to open App Store. Once you open App Store, there's going to be an avatar looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can click on it and it's going to open up over here just like this. Now once over here, what you can do is scroll a bit down over here. And since all of my app over here is up to date, there's like not a single app which needs an update. There's not going to be any update button over here. But if you need any update, or like if there's any app which needs update on your iPhone, that app or like that software is going to be shown over here. And over here where it says updated recently, there's going to be an update all button. So on my screen it says updated recently because all of my app has been up to date. And if there's any app which needs update on your iPhone, where it says update recently, there's going to be a button called update all. You can click on that button, update all, and all of your app on your iPhone is going to be up to date. It's going to take a bit of time, depends on your iPhone or like depends on your internet speed. All right, if your internet speed is fast, like the updates are going to be downloaded fast. If your iPhone speed is fast, it's going to be installed fast. All right, so it might take a couple of time, depends on how many apps there you need to update. If there's a lot, it's going to take a lot of time. If there's one or two, it's going to be done in like 5 or 10 minutes. So yeah, that's how we guys can update every single app on your iPhone, or you can also say update all button. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.